Hi guys, my name is V. I'm good boy.
Hi guys, my name is Mina and I'm a good girl. So let's start with the primer, and not prime is a crime, so just prime your face perfectly. And then I am contouring my face because he has a very sharp jawline and very slim face, but I don't. So I need to contour very much. I need to squeeze my face. So I am contouring, and first I am doing cream contour here, then I will do powder contour as well. So I am just trying to create a fake jawline, as you can see. So now for highlight my face, I am using kryolan. He is very bright. We both are Asians, but he is brighter. So I'm using this shade, and don't worry, I mention all the things in description box, all the products, so don't worry about it, color, shade and products. So blend everything very well, and now I'm going to the eyes. For eyes I'm using Oriental base TV stick for cover all my imperfections. So you can use eye base or whatever you want to cover your eyes. And now I am going to apply the concealer. Concealer is very important because he don't have any dark circles, but I do have, so I am using concealer, and I will do baking as well. Yes, I am doing baking here. I think I need baking, so I am doing baking. If you are not okay with baking, you can skip this. So it's time for our eyes, and I'm using this dusty pink, very light pink shade. I don't want the very brighter color here, so I'm using the very little pinky tone, but not so pinky tone. You know what I mean. And in my lower lash line, I am just defining my lower lash line with a bright pink shade, as I just see in the picture. So the brighter pink shade I just use a blush shade, which is quite good and quite pinky. So now I am trying to narrow my eyes because my eyes is very big and almond eye. So I am just applying the black shade into my eye, so it looks quite narrow. I try because he has such narrow and droppy eye, so I just try to narrow my eyes, and I feel little difference. I think you can see it. There is a difference. My eyes look little shorter, but tell me, I just try, tell me it's different or not. So the next thing we are going to do is we are just going to do nose contour. So here is totally opposite. I am not narrowing my nose. I am just slightly straighten it, and I am just copying him. I will show you the picture, and I'm just straightening my nose, but I'm not narrowing it. So I am just applying some bronzer around my nose, so for define. Let's just see it. It is quite similar. So now I am just bronzing, and I think my face looks so smaller than before, not like him, but smaller than before. Now I'm comparing. So it's time for the highlighter, and I love highlighter, and every girl love highlighter, but I'm using the very light dusty pink shade, and here we are just applying our lip color. I need something very natural and pink shade, so I am just using this Huda Beauty. I will mention the color in the description. I like this color very much, and I'm just blending it so it looks very natural. So I'm just blending it with blending it with my fingers, and I am applying the lip nourisher here for just little bit juicy look, little bit of juicy and shiny texture. Forget the shiny texture. I'm blending it with the lip color so it will look perfect. And I am just using this color again in my lower lip. I just dab here, and I just did for the Korean look, you know what I mean. So here the very 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 tough part, the hair, because my hair is very big, long, and now I just want a very shorter hair, so I just take small parts and I just curl a little bit, and I'm just pinning my hair. As you can see, I am just pin it with and it looks quite cute. I think this hair look is very cute, and I will try it definitely with a cap or something if I want to go out. So I think it is very simple. It is very simple to do. I just take my parts and I'll just comb it. But yes, I cut my hairs because some of the hairs are not equal, so I just cut some hairs. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I just cut my hair for this video, so please don't forget to like this. Write down what do you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we will meet again soon, and very very soon. And I purple you. Bye bye.